Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing hardware and account access. Connect your webcam and mic, plug in a capture card if using a console, and then open OBS. Once done, paste your Twitch stream key into settings right arrow stream so OBS can transmit. Make sure audio levels are visible and not clipping. Use desktop audio and mic monitoring. You want a stable USB or LAN connection. Prefer wired Ethernet over Wi-Fi for reliability. And confirm drivers are up to date before continuing. Next, you build scenes and add sources to control what viewers see. Add a game capture for native apps, display capture for full screen, and audio input for your mic. Once added, lock or arrange layers and scale overlays. Make sure to configure transform and cropping so chat and alerts aren't obscured. Then adjust output right arrow video. Choose base and scaled resolution and FPS. Pick 60 for fast motion or 30 to save bandwidth. Test transitions and hotkeys to streamline switching. Finally, optimize output and start streaming. Choose an encoder based on your hardware. NVENC reduces CPU load. Then set bitrate appropriate for resolution and Twitch limits. Once configured, run a short local recording to check quality. When you go live, watch OBS stats and Twitch Inspector for dropped frames. If problems occur, lower bitrate or resolution, switch to a different encoder, or test a wired connection. And remember to restart OBS and router if packet loss persists. You'll learn by...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.